In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Odoo. If you prefer a darker interface that feels easier on the eyes, especially when working for long periods or in low light environments, Odoo makes it very simple to change the appearance. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to save the change so the new theme is applied correctly. To begin, log into your Odoo account as you normally would. Once you're signed in and looking at the main interface, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select Preferences. This will take you to the area where you can personalize parts of your Odoo experience, including display settings and other account-related options. If you're following along, make sure the Preferences page has fully loaded before moving on, so you can easily spot the setting you need. Inside the Preferences tab, look for the section labeled Theme. This is where Odoo gives you control over how the interface appears. You should see three available options: System, Light and Dark. The System option usually follows your device or browser theme settings, while Light keeps the standard brighter look. To switch the interface manually to dark mode, select Dark. After choosing Dark, the most important next step is to save the update. Look for the Update Preferences button and click it. This confirms your selection and tells Odoo to apply the new theme to your account. If you skip this part, the change may not be saved, so make sure you complete it before leaving the page. Once your preferences are updated, Odoo will now display the interface in dark mode. You should notice the background, menus and other visual elements shift to a darker color scheme right away, or after the page refreshes depending on your setup. If the new theme doesn't appear immediately, give the page a moment or reload the interface once. In most cases, the change is applied without any issue. And that's it. You've successfully turned on dark mode in Odoo. This is a small adjustment, but it can make your workspace feel much more comfortable and modern, especially during extended sessions.